Hello and good evening. Today is 25th Thursday, 25th July, and this is a trade plan that I'm recording for 26th Friday, 26th of July. Expected 50,932 break. It broke and tried to recover and recapture, which it failed. Meanwhile, in the last trading plan, I had mentioned that 24,595 is the level to watch. Above that, we could go back to the attempt at all-time high again, 24854, but that never happened. So nothing on the upside. Market opened gap down. Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened gap down and recovered. Nifty recovered. Bank Nifty also recovered a little bit. But see what is happening. Yesterday's close was 24413. Today's close is 24404. About 7 points lesser than yesterday's close. 7 points less. It's about 0.03% in negative. While Bank Nifty did not recover even whatever it lost. So Bank Nifty is down by minus 0.83 vis-a-vis Nifty, which is almost cost to cost. So Bank Nifty is for the zillion times weaker than Nifty. And in fall, Bank Nifty is the index to trade. And in the up move, Nifty is the index to trade. कई बार बता चुका हूं लेकिन करते आप लोग वही हो जो आपका दिल करता है anyway now this level of 5930 has been taken out and will act as a strong resistance on the way up. 930, remember this, 5930. कल क्या होगा? Tomorrow is Friday, the week ends tomorrow, and possibly we may not see a huge move tomorrow. Possibly anything can happen otherwise, but possibly it may just about waste some time there tomorrow, some up move, some down move, protecting the day's low. But the real move may come either sometime in next week or in the next expiry, because we'll be heading to the next expiry of August from tomorrow. So the down move is planned for next expiry, August expiry. गिरेगा तो सही, गिरना भी चाहिए, because that's only when you have opportunity for the people who have lost out to re-enter and take advantage. Look, I said when we were trading above 51,537 that we may see a break of 51,537, and it happened. Then I said we may see 5930. It has happened. It happened yesterday actually. Today it went lower. And today's close and yesterday's close is huge amount of difference. Let me show it to you on intraday charts, maybe 15-minute charts. Okay, let me plot it for you. This is where it ended yesterday. This is the 15-minute chart, and this is where was the first 15 minutes candle. So Nifty has been able to by and large recapture whatever gap down it created in the morning. It has been able to recapture that, as it is now trading above this. It is trading at 24413, almost the same place where it closed yesterday. We just saw that 0.03% difference. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty ka last 15 minutes candle, if I just connect this low with this first 15 minutes high, do you see even the lower limit has not been touched yet? This is the level of weakness in Bank Nifty. So I heard Axis Bank results अच्छे नहीं हैं, blah blah blah. I don't even have to track this. My price action is visible on the charts and it is screaming loud and clear. So maybe tomorrow Bank Nifty may try to touch this line first, the lower, the today's high. which is 51006, 51,000. No, it's actually, yeah, 51006. Then it has 51118 as the next level, followed by 51260 and 51317. Now, broadly, the levels above are 5118 and 51304. Rest are all intermediate levels. Time may turn positive on Monday, 12:15 p.m. If it all has to work out, this is where there's a possibility. For Nifty, there is a possibility time becomes favorable tomorrow, Friday at 12 noon. मतलब 12 बजे के बाद any time after 12. But then my gut feel says that there is not much up move because it stopped exactly at yesterday's close. Then there is a level that I've been oft repeating, 24443. थक गया हूं मैं इस लेवल के बारे में बोलते बोलते, but this is a critical level. And last many trade plans I've been talking about this level, 24443. Above that, there is a level 24464. If Nifty is not able to trade above this, there is not much it can do. But if it does, then broadly 24,500 and 24,600. I mean, this is 24,595 or whatever, 594. ये solid levels हैं. 24,500 is the psychological level and 24,600 is the technical level where we may see resistance going up ahead. Unless there is a clear-cut break above 24,660, 659, 660, I'm not hopeful for any further up move, although it may just roam around in this space if it has to, but it has to convincingly move above 24,660 to show some kind of a strength, which looks unlikely as of now. On the lower side, 24,141 and 24,074. Actually 24 is 102. 102 की लेवल है. ये कहाँ प्लॉट की थी मैंने? Where did I plot it? Okay, it's not here, but I still remember that 24,102. Let's say 24,100. 24,100 plus minus few points here or there is a important level for Nifty to hold above. And my gut feel is for Friday, it should manage to hold above that. Intraday, there can be ups and downs, but then that is how it is. Now, tomorrow, if you get a Nifty open at any of these levels, 464, 594, 659, if the Nifty opens at any of these levels, chances are it will correct and fill the gap. This is in case it opens gap up. I'm just giving you all the scenarios. It will come down and try to fill the gap first. It should be successful in filling the gap and then start moving upwards once again for strength to be seen. If it opens flat, then there's a chance that it might go down a little bit, but then it will make an attempt to go up. And if it opens gap down the way it has opened gap down today, chances are it will again try to go up the way it has gone up today. It was a non-stop up move. Hourly chart है ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours non-stop up move. Sixth hour was a pause and seventh hour was again finish at almost the day's high. Having said that, there are uh, chances that it may not cross 464 also. My view would be let's mentally be ready for a possible fall. Whether it happens tomorrow, whether it happens next week, mentally be prepared, keep your homework ready, keep your index strike price, expiries, all those things ready, and those strikes should be ready on your trading terminal so that you can just click to buy, and it gets onto your live situation, live trade. Jalbazi mat karna. Don't be in a hurry to get into the puts, but the days for buying puts have started, and we have seen that how Bank Nifty has been rewarding us in puts. Let the clarity emerge tomorrow in the morning session. When we look at Gift Nifty, we'll figure out where is the pre-open likely to be, and then we can position ourselves accordingly. If there's any jump, any up move, I'll be a little cautious because market में strength nahi hai. And how do I say that? Because if you look at again the same top four here, um, HDFC Bank, the biggest stock of Nifty 50, and of course Bank Nifty, managed to recover a little bit, but still managed to close below 1618, the pivot line. Therefore, it is likely to get a rejection from this pivot. It got the rejection today. Now let's see tomorrow what happens. Where does it open and how does it trade? If it again gets rejection from here, then the fall can go right up to 1556 eventually. And there's an intermediate support at 1576 or something. Um, so, and that's quite a lot of fall. I mean, this HDFC Bank falling from here to here or even here to here, 1576 is a decent fall, which will bring down Bank Nifty like a ton of bricks. करेगा ये. अभी it's neither up nor down. It has closed below the pivot. It has closed below the EMA. It's giving us the hint that it has not turned positive yet. Let's see what happens tomorrow. For now, what is visible on the charts is still it is weak. What about Reliance? Having made a gap down just like HDFC Bank, Reliance has just been trading within this range broadly and has decided not to go down, but it has also not moved up, and 3003 has acted as a resistance last 3 days. So we need to understand that it's not a very comfortable situation. There is a support somewhere here, 2974, almost plus minus level pe hai jahan pe it is trading right now. Failing which, there are supports at 2870 and 2845, but those are very low. And of course, 2803. तो नीचे जाने का स्कोप ज्यादा दिख रहा है, ऊपर स्कोप थोड़ा कम है. Even if it is a bounce, it could be technical bounce. Strength seems to be missing. ICICI Bank has already broken the super trend and is trading down the EMA. The trend is already down. It may have a technical bounce tomorrow, if at all, but then it's not positive for sure. Infosys, the fourth largest script of Nifty 50, is also trading weak. The close was weaker than yesterday's close. Also, it seems to be pretty overbought at 83 RSI on the daily chart, so be cautious. Having said that, so this is the status of the top four stocks of Nifty. So understand that the odds are in favor of the bears, not bulls. And any bounce would be an opportunity where bears can take control. Technically, though, we are still buy on dips by the rules. However, by what we see on the top four, that's not really the picture. So we need to see where uh, things change. 24,100 is the key support for Nifty, and 50,700 is the key support for Bank Nifty. Should stay above this, although a huge up move looks a little too much to ask. That's how it is. Today morning we had a fantastic morning live session, morning trade. A lot of people were part of the elite group, the participants of various Go Green personalized coaching initiatives of mine for the last 1.5 years. Many of them were able to make some very good captures. They were able to capture from 20, 30, 40, 50 points to 100, 200 points. And we also had somebody who made more than 1,000 points capture. So you need to understand the value of coaching. Value of coaching. You'll get a chance to meet this guy. He's there almost every day in the morning. He's not the only one. There are many others who are capturing 500, 700,000 plus points easily. But there is a science behind it, and you need to learn that, because if you think you can do it on your own, it will take a lot of time. It will cost you a lot of money. Sure enough, personalized coaching will cost you, but that's an investment. Understand the difference between investment and expense, because most of the people are able to take out their entire coaching fee by the end of the program or in the next few weeks. So you need to understand how to play it out and learn before you trade, because if you trade the way you think is right, you're not trading, you're gambling. Don't do that. It's your money, very hard earned money. Don't play with your money, learn and then trade. The interest sign up for the coaching program is open. The link is available in the description in the video here, and also available in the morning when I'm live from 9 to 10 every day. Please feel free to join. Please share the link of this video and the morning video with your friends and acquaintances and the groups that you are part of. And I welcome you to be part of the learners group. And we'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much. Go green. Let it be a green day tomorrow for you. Bye bye.